few blocks away from the village yesterday, and just to look for a tire for my rear wheel, or for my rear tire. I'm trying to replace it. Now they don't have anything that's bigger, and what they offered me, the owner offered me that, hey, you can get the 90 by 90. It's called the CST tire brand, and I made a bit of research of that. I think it's somehow related to the Maxi's tires as well. I think there's just with the company, it's just somehow related. I don't know if Maxi's tire is the mother company of the CST tires, or it's the other way around. But if this shop is open now, then I guess I'm gonna get it. Okay, moment of truth. Oh dang it, it's open, so I guess I'm gonna have to get it, man. Gotta see. Katong ligid, boss.
Boss, tingin ko boss.
Di mo mataod. Di mo mataod.
Atras.
Ito na katong ligid, yan. Ligid. Di mo mataod. Pagpila ni boss? Boy hang yun, ani? Ah. Mutaod, nakapataod na, diri din mo ta. Gahi mo gud. Ha? Wala na doon. Kuan, pilay, kuan ba yun? Yan na mo yung tire sealant? Kapit tila tire sealant. Pila doon. Bos, sapin lang, bos ha? Sapin lang yun. Ya, ako na yung ipakapit ang tao daw kung big show. Ha? Ay, kung ano ba ni? Pila tanong, bos? Ha? 1.30. we had to replace the rear tire yesterday. Now I'm using it now. It may not be like a long distance travel, but I can somehow feel the difference. So again, that's a 90 by 90 CST, that's Charlie Sierra Tango tire, tubeless na siya, good for 14-inch wheels. And yeah, there's really like a difference too compared to the stock tire for Honda Click 150 version 2, and I'm loving it. Yeah, there's indeed like a difference when it comes to, I mean, I just sent my wife or drop off my wife to her office, and it's fine. If na yung mga lubak, I mean, hindi ka siya matag, I don't know if there was a difference at all, but as I said, I can feel it. I feel something is different. What else? Yeah, I guess there's not much enough to say about it. It's just legit. So you can also, I mean, the good thing about it is that it's the quality itself. I think that's good, because this was also CST is also under Maxxis tire, also the one who manufactures Maxxis tires. I only bought it for 1,380 pesos. So it's a little lot smaller compared to the stock wheels, but it will do. Believe me, it will do. See, I don't didn't have siya wobbly like before with my stock tire. That was already like 2 years, almost 2 years of using. That's why I decided to change it, and medyo manipis na talaga siya. Although the stock tire, it was a good experience. Because 3 months pa lang akong gumagamit nun. So, you know, bago pa lang to si Honda Click ko, I've experienced like a puncture. It's a 2-inch nails, and nail lang kasi isa lang yung nail, but it was a 2-inch nail. When I took it off, I was so dumb before. I did not even purchase the tire sealant yet, so I just took it off. I thought that for tubeless tires that it will just do its job, but it wasn't. So, but hey, I mean, it was, imagine that was a 2-inch nail that punctured your tire, and only with the aid of tire sealant, it took me like it gave me like like a year, a few months of usage, and that was perfect. I mean, I was able to really make use of it. So, well, thank you Day sa katong nag-help sa kuha, I mean, to install the tire. Their shop, I forget the name of their shop, but it's just located in the May ski na diyan sa kuan. My pleasant homes. Naalala na ang shop that's going to Barangay Kiyot or Kiyot Pardo rather. So you will see that there's shop there. So the owner was quite a nice guy, and also his mechanic, because I was hesitant to do it manually because of, you know, what's gonna happen to your mags. But he did it well, so good job. Thank you so much, Brad. Who are you? I forgot your name. I did not even ask for your name, but he's a good guy. He's a great mechanic. So thank you so much. So again, CST tire, that's 90 by 90. That's what I am using now for my rear tire. Okay naman so far. So if I'll have any bad experience in this, hope not. I'll also keep you updated, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And again, it's been your boy, the Callboy Moto, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, so I'll take you to my local travels and also any experiences with my motorcycle. Again, this has been your boy, the Callboy Moto. See you when you see me, guys, and ciao for now.